Why can't I do as well as others? Or why is this so easy for him but so hard for me? Have you ever asked yourself these questions? If so, this story is for you. In a peaceful town lived a 12-year-old boy named Rahul. Football was his life. He practiced intensely at the field every single day. One day, Rahul returned from school looking very dejected. His father noticed and asked what was wrong. Rahul explained sadly that his math grades had dropped, while his friend John always scored top marks. To help him understand, his father decided to teach him 3 important lessons. Everyone has a unique talent. First, the father asked Rahul to play football with John. During the game, Rahul played exceptionally well and scored 3 goals. However, John the math whiz struggled significantly on the field. From this, Rahul understood that everyone has a unique strength. If one person excels in one field, another will shine in a different one. The power of practice. Next, the father told Rahul to observe how much time John spent with numbers. Rahul noticed that even during breaks and leisure time, John was busy counting and solving problems. He realized then that to excel in any subject, consistent and dedicated practice is essential. Love what you do. Finally, Rahul tried to study math 3 times as much as John, but he soon developed a headache and fell asleep. His father then told him, "When you force yourself to do something you don't like, it feels like a burden. But when you do what you love, even hard work feels easy. Therefore, either do what you love or learn to love what you are doing." Therefore, instead of wasting time comparing ourselves to others, we must discover our own unique talents. Whatever you do it with love or choose a field you are passionate about and refine yourself within it. Only then will success stop feeling like hard labor and start feeling like a pleasant journey. Persistence, practice, and love for your work, these are the 3 mantras for success. If you like this story, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.